introduce yourself.
Hello, this is Advocate Harsha Naik from Panjim and a voter of Talegaon constituency. As a citizen, as a voter, I think it just came to my mind that because due to this upcoming elections in Goa and everywhere I would rather say, but the idea which would really, I mean, for me, like it is something important, and even I think for every voters, each and every individual voters, I think this idea if can be taken into, it's a small appeal, it's a small representation sort of from my side to all the government authorities, to the other authorities who are directly or indirectly who are connected with this election process. My personal opinion and my personal view is that why not to have the online voting process. I think this would be a really fantastic idea for each and everyone. First and foremost, this idea came to me because after going through other states, it's not at the national level or something, even in the international level, you know, this idea was taken into considerations. So why not to have this sort of idea of online voting, and especially during this pandemic situations. I think this would be really helpful to each and every person. Like it may, I mean, it is whether it is a government, whether it is other stakeholders, whether it is for each and every person, considering the financial aspect, considering the manpower, considering the other stationary things which is required. You know, I think this would be really, it would be a very the easy mode, okay, and the convenient and comfortable thing to everyone, including you can say the ladies, the women, the senior citizens, especially the senior citizens, okay, and even the youngsters. And considering all this pandemic thing, still date we are, you know, we are suffering from all these pandemic situations and all, and there is a fear factor, there is a risk which has been involved, and various circulars, guidelines which are being coming up, you know, even SOPs are being now, they are going to come day by day, that SOPs are coming at every level. Whether it is at the judiciary level, administrative level. So why not to have this online voting process? And because it will really save the time of each and every person over here, including the government. So I think sitting at one place, whether you're in the office, whether you're at home, or whether wherever you are, you can, you know, on the date of voting, you know, on that voting date, you know, any person, I mean, any citizen and voter can make use of this online. Only thing I would rather say that the mechanism would be like, you know, to have, you know, to start with this online portals thing, you know, about the voting process. So I think that will take time, and the government has to take that initiative of at least starting this process. We can just try how it works, how it goes about. Okay, or if not, even the offline and online, both the things can be made use of at the same time. Especially for senior citizens who cannot make, it is really difficult from there for them to bring at the polling booth and, you know, to what you can say, to right to vote, we say, like, you know, but yes, definitely we can use this right. Why not offline and why not online also? So we'll make use of it, we'll try, let's see, hoping for the best. If there is a good response, better response, I think this mode can be used even for in the future too. And especially during this pandemic thing, I would really request, it's an appeal to the election commission, and also to the government bodies and government authorities, and also to the government, that please try to imbibe this online voting system. I think it will really serve the purpose, and it will be really comfortable and good for each and every voter of our state. Thank you.
Madam, would you be writing this to the election commission also, your suggestion?
Actually, I think this would be really great. I think if that, definitely I would like to make some sort of representation, a request to the election commission, definitely. And if that is, I will give within this, because the code of conduct is not before that. Hoping like if I can give this very soon to the election commission, I think it will be really serve. I mean, why not? I mean, even they will take a step or some steps or some initiative to start this process. Definitely.